Question number 60 from June 2020 mathematical science paper. So we have to find the maximum and the minimum values of 5x plus 7y where mod x plus mod y is less than equal to 1. So let's draw an axis this like this, y and x. So this point 1 comma 0, this is 0 comma 1, minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma minus 1. So if you draw a line between these points, okay, so how we will define this? So it will be defined as x plus y equal to 1. So let's change the name. So it will be x minus y equal to 1. It is minus x plus y equal to 1, and is minus x minus y equal to 1, right? So we have these 4 points A, B, C, D, and this is the origin. Now this is the region that we are talking about. Okay, so you can see the maximum and minimum it occur at the corner points, right? And we only need to check the values at the corner points only. So here it is given that f of xy is 5x plus 7y, and mod x plus mod y is less than equal to 1. So f of 10 is 5, f of 01 7, f of minus 10 is minus 5, and f of 0 minus 1 it will be minus 7. So the maximum value and the minimum value, so this is the maximum value and this is the minimum value, plus 7 and minus 7. So the correct option in our case is option 4. So question 61, which of the following sets are in bijection with R? We have to find out of the 4 options. So the cardinality of set of all functions from A, which is mapping to B, is mod B to the power mod A. So we already have this n is equal to nothing but this n0, and mod of R equal to C is the continuum, right? So we have the 2 to the power n0 is equal to C, and 2 to the power C is always greater than C. Okay, so now check with the options. The first, the cardinality of set of all maps from this 0 1 to n. So putting the same over here, mod b to the power mod a. So we have n0 square, which is not equal to c. Similarly, the cardinality of set of all maps from n to this 0 1, it will be 2 to the power n0, which is equal to c. So this is the option 1 is not correct. We will check one by one. So what is the option 3? The cardinality of set of all subsets of n, it is also 2 to the power n0, which is c. Check with the option 4. So cardinality of set of all subsets of R, it is 2 to the power c, which is not equal to c. So the sets having the same cardinality as R equal to the C are in bijection with R. So here the option 2 and 3 is correct. Both of these options are correct, as I find from the solution 2 and 3.